video I'm putting up today is for reducing your tummy and getting rid of the fat around your stomach area. So they are a bit advanced practices, but you can start with some preliminary yoga, and in a few days you will get on to these practices and be able to get a very nice taut stomach area. So this first asana is a combination of 4 asanas, okay? So but it's a very enjoyable practice. So you start with Bhujang-Parvat-Plank-Ashtanga. Toes can be stretched out or your feet can be resting on the toes. It depends on you. Then start with Bhujang. Inhale. Exhale. Parvatasana. Push your hips at the back. Then slide your body in the front. Plank pose. Pull your navel in complete exhalation. Then come down in further exhalation in Ashtanga Namaskar. So these were the 4 asanas done in a sequence. So second round, inhale, Bhujang, exhale, Parvat, exhale, plank pose, come down in exhalation, Ashtanga Namaskar. Then again inhale, Bhujang, exhale, Parvat, plank pose in exhalation, come down in exhalation, Ashtanga Namaskar. So like this, you keep practicing and start with 3 rounds, build it up to 5 rounds. So this is one of the sequence of practices. Then second, very good asana for tightening your stomach area is Navasana. So hands on your thighs, relax your whole body, then take a deep inhale, come up in Navasana, point your fingers towards your toes and just tighten your stomach area. Hold this posture for some time. You can also breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, just relax. In the beginning, just 1 round is good enough. Slowly, you can build it up to 5 rounds. Now, the next asana is Navasana. In this, what you do is raise your right leg 90 degrees, hold your toes, keeping your knees straight, and then just lift your head and then breathe in, breathe out in this position. Exhale, hands down, hands by the side of the body, whole body relaxed. Then second, with the left leg, same thing. Exhale, down. So first you start with single legs, right and left, and then as you become comfortable with this practice, you can do it with both legs together. Inhale, exhale, just relax. So these were the 3 practices. The last is leg rotation. You can start with the right leg, full round rotation, 5 rounds in one direction and then 5 rounds in the other direction. Then left leg, 2, 3, 4, 5. opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After a few days of single leg rotation practice, then you can do both legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember not to take support of your palms or your shoulder. Full work has to be done by your stomach muscles, because stomach area is what we are trying to tighten and get rid of any belly fat. So stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om. That's it.